Okay, let's try and figure this out. Round like 5 of this shit. I'm getting a value error. It says I can't int with base 10 XP the bulk. Does that work? So because I know nothing about this, I want to make sure I don't mess anything up. I'm going to be grinding XP. Will that mess with the boss results? No, it won't, Anchor. I don't need your stats anymore. Don't worry about that, man. Go grind that XP, brother. You go get the bread. Go get the bread. We had one viewer drop to 0, and now we should go back up. Now that you guys are back. What happened? Don't worry about it, Mo. I just have to reset the stream real quick for something because I goofed. Anyways, this doesn't work. This int doesn't work. It returns value error. Here, can I put this in stream chat? I can't. Cast a value? How do I cast a value? Oh. But then it'll cast false to 0. But now true will also be 0, right? Which makes it fine. Yeah, there we go, that works. Sick. So that works. Sounds good. Next stats then, I guess. Because we're done the kit stats. So now we're done this. And we're done booster stuff, and we're done all of this. The friend stats aren't implemented yet, so we remove that. Now, you ready for the tricky part? So, we're gonna have... God. Should I put all my... I'm putting all these at the top together. There's too many of them. Also, these should be, these should all be initiated outside of get smash heroes, so that it doesn't have to initiate them every time, right? Or does it not take any effort to initiate at all? Wait, let me go to the API again for a second. Monthly or weekly A. Games, kills, losses, wins. Games, kills, losses, wins. Games, wins, losses, and then just kills, but there's no deaths? Okay. Ready? So... Man. So we need weekly and monthly games, losses. So that's going to be general stats. That's going to be here. So in here, there's going to be weekly wins, weekly A. So it's going to be games, weekly A, right? And we're going to do games, weekly B. There's 2 of each of these. And there's also monthly versions of each one. These are horrible. By the way. So, yeah, outside of the for loop is good. Usually compilers will optimize it, but it's better to be safe. Oh god. I'll do that some other day. I'll have some section at the very bottom of the script that's just gonna be a massive fucking section of just arrays and dictionaries for different like sections for different stuff in the API. It's gonna be like a massive beast of a thing, yeah. It's gonna be losses and kills. Like so, that's kills. This is losses. And now is when you start to realize how important putting everything into like these folder lists is. It's absurdly important. Because already we are at let me show you how big this is already and hopefully not mess up again. There's a faster and cleaner approach, is there? I move all the variables there, then do from constants import star. Yeah. In this file, yeah. Would it be faster to just import? How would it be faster to import the constants from another file than just having them as constants in that file? It has to be faster to just already have them in the file, right? Yeah, so sorry. Let me show you guys. So look, it starts here, and we're still in Smashers, and we haven't even gotten to the bulk of the stuff yet. We're still very low level right now, okay? And it already spans all of this. This is what? This is like close to like 100 endpoints, right? Like 100 little things. Maybe a little less. And it's just going downhill from here by a lot. Okay, in this file, the way Python works, it'll boil it all down to one file anyways, but that way they aren't being defined in the for loop. Eek, that's a lot. Yeah. Is there a way to get the total length of like nested stuff easily? Or would I have to create like a little thing for that? It'd be nice to see how many stats there are exactly. There's got to be some sort of something to easily grab the length of embedded lists and dictionaries, right? Or maybe with dictionaries it's a little weird. You can just length data dot values. Oh, if you want all keys, I can write something sac. Yeah, this doesn't work. So now we're done the times. For all these kits, there's going to be game modes. Or, no, we gotta add these stats. So, Wins, losses, games played, kills, deaths, damage dealt, and I'll also do a more classic. You just do that. Dot values, not dot values. Oh. Print reformed stats dot values. I'm not showing this right. Okay. It says 1. I know for a fact this is not of length 1. This can't be of length 1. This is over 100. Yeah, I don't think it's length 1. So, we're gonna toss that aside for a second. Oh, I should probably add comments as well. Now this should all be 0 anyways now because of the end thing. Yeah. Right? If I test that real quick. Still works. As intended, yeah. Okay, damage. I gotta figure out Smasher and Smash still. Hey, we're holding a constant 4 viewers, Pog. Happy there's 4 of you out there. Oh, we're at 9 playbacks too. Jesus Christ, y'all going crazy. Damage dealt, and that's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then there's a list of game modes. So, Smash, game modes, normal, 2v2, teams. So solo is normal, 2v2 is 2v2, teams is 2v2 2v2. And for like 1v1, it's like, what the fuck, let me check. It's always a nightmare. Class stats, the main sergeant, right? I'm gonna shoot myself. There's so fucking many stats. You don't understand. There's so many. So many. Oh God. Okay. So oh, there's at least like 50 lines that we gotta parse through. At least. Okay, and we're gonna make like 2 more arrays, by the way. So this is the same as this. And this is gonna be, and then set up specific damage. Damage what? Damage dealers? Okay. So for this, there's some nonsense here we gotta do. Smash ability, smash class abilities. Okay, I'm gonna need a smash your main's help here. Hey, Alex, yeah. So we're gonna have like the bulk, and his stats are gonna be. What are the bulk's abilities? I need a list of every kit's abilities. I realize that I am making a bit of a mistake here, so I'm just gonna. Is it better to put a tuple here? I think so, right? Because tuples are less to, like, it's easier for the script to handle. It's like more light. It's like lighter for a tuple than an array. Def get total keys data. If is instance return 0 nested keys equals sum. Messages aids message and API help. Gotcha. Get number of stats. Okay. 208 is what we're at right now. We're currently at 208. So by the end of this, we're probably going to be close to, if not over 1,000. Wait, are there stats in the list too? What do you mean stats in the list? That only assumes... Oh, in every dict? This works. This works. This, I feel like 208 is a good number here. Yeah, we don't have any. Actually, we actually have 0 like lists. We only have dictionaries, I think. And I think we'll only end up with dictionaries for a bit. Are tuples or arrays or sorry, lists more light work? I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, are you still there, Anchor? Can you compile, would you mind compiling a list of all the abilities for every kit? Like the names? But they aren't mutable, meaning that if you want to update it, it'll destroy the object and replace it. Yeah, I'm not meaning to update these. These are just going to be like lists of, like, for pathing, basically. For this specific case, I'm fine with them being immutable. These don't plan to be mutated for the, like, long foreseeable future. Sure, I'm down. I'll put it in the Discord. Yeah, put it in Discord. I just need a list of every ability that can deal damage on every kit. And I need to know which kit that ability, like, belongs to. So do, like, bulk, and then do all those things that can do damage, and then, like, go down like that. Which is... yeah, I mean, it's annoying, but it means that we'll be able to know how much damage you received from a kit. I don't think it's worth storing the amount of damage you received from... I don't think it's important to have the amount of damage received per ability, because then you just have, like, 100 stats for every kit, so that's like 2,000 points for no reason. But I think we can easily group them up to, like, abilities from kits, and then do it that way. Should I include melees as in punching? Not for now. I don't think punching is a thing. Oh, that's saved. And for this, we're only going to save the damage dealt. I don't give a fuck about these other things. Right? Like, we can't... let me show you guys. So, like... for every kit, let's say Shield Bash on Sergeant, there's all these stats. I don't care about these, right? Like, this is... I just care about the damage dealt. Melee is, like, its own section for all melee. By the way, so you don't have to worry about it. Like, laser cannon, it's how much damage, like, took from laser cannon. Right? Wait. What? Why is it like this? Like, has he never received damage from Desert Eagle? But he's been killed by it before. And then he's received damage, or he's dealt damage with Rocket Punch? How do you deal damage with Rocket Punch if you don't have Rocket Punch in your abilities? I'm sorry? I think Smash is the amount of, like, true deaths you have. Like, it's like a true death counter, so it's how many times you died not to void. Like, how do you deal damage with throw cake as Sergeant Shield? This makes no sense. I think it's damage. Like, onion cannon? What the fuck is onion cannon? Can you tell me what onion cannon is? I don't know what onion cannon is. Some of these are gonna be horrible. Like, Teleboom and Ride the Lightning are easy, but... Like, how do you get kills using Ride the Lightning when you're not... Shoot. How did this guy get 57 kills? How did Hypixel get 57 kills using Ride the Lightning on his Sergeant Shield? Tell me. I don't get this stat. You shouldn't be able to kill people using... I don't know. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I gotta check my email. I ordered a parcel from Amazon for video. He reflected it. He reflected Ride the Lightning, which killed people. Oh God. Right, because Sergeant Shield can reflect stuff. Oh my God. So specifically for Sergeant Shield. Specifically for Sergeant Shield, we need like a special section for killing other people with abilities. Only for Shield though, because Shield's the only kit that can do this, right? I think Shield's the only kit that gets to like reflect. That seems reasonable to say that Shield's the only one that gets a reflect attack. How do you you can reflect Ride the Lightning? How do you reflect? Isn't Ride the Lightning like shoop not shoop out, shoop shift? How do you reflect that? Does they just send them straight back down to the void where they came from? What the fuck? Shield is broken. Wait. That sounds so broken. I need to check my package that I ordered. Give me a second, guys. I should just send a picture of someone to mention to them. There we go. Okay. Yeah, he rides one of his lasers. It used to insta-kill, but they fixed it. Now it humiliates you by comically flipping you around. Wait, what? Is this an actual feature that they made? Where you can just... Someone's just riding it, and then you just get in their face, hold your shield up, and then it just, like, sends them far away? Wait, it used to insta-kill people? So was Shoop just like a D tier kit and like a horrible matchup against Shield, knowing that you couldn't use a shift out of fear of having the shield just insta-kill you by jumping in your face and then holding right click? Or however you use the shield? That sounds dumb, but also a little funny. Sounds exciting. Anyways, before we do that, I'm going to show you guys this. Before we do these, we have to do the non-ability stats as well. So we're going to start working on that. So there's Smasher, which is like true kills. What I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna do Smasher is true kills. Smashed is true deaths. True deaths? Should we do true deaths or should we do like damage kills and damage deaths? Yeah. Yeah, what would happen is the lightning would reflect back into Shoop hundreds of times a second. There's still something similar with Shoop's normal right click, but it's not as intense. Damn. Well, that's pretty wowzers. Wait, can you double reflect projectiles? Wait, now I'm curious. If you have 3 people on different teams, right? And like a Shoop and 2 Sergeant Shields. The Shoop shoots at a Sergeant Shield. The Sergeant Shield reflects it to another Sergeant Shield, and then he reflects it again. Do they both get the kill credit? Or not necessarily the kill credit, but do they both get the like API kill? Because if that's a thing, could you farm the damage by like bouncing the bullet a billion times between 2 shields and then killing someone? Could you like multiply your... Could you get like a billion damage dealt with one ability doing that? By farming over? Like it would still only do normal damage, like physically. But it would add damage to your API, like way above what it's supposed to. We need to check that out one day, Anchor. That's actually sick. No way it works though. If that does work, we're abusing it and we're getting like 10 million damage on shield, okay, Anchor? I want an account that has like 10 million damage on shield and like 5 games played. Since reflect increases proj speed and damage. Oh, it increases damage too? How to one-shot people 101. I'm curious if the speed would get high enough at some point where it would go through people. Because the tick, like speed, like blocks moved per tick would be, probably set that up in a friends mode, yeah. It'd also be cool just to make a video of like how to one-shot with shield. And just using 2 shields and a Shoop. Farm to ungodly amount. Would Shoop be the best for that? Or would it be better? What other projectiles are there? What's the slowest projectile in the game that you can reflect and that we could keep reflecting? We run out of energy pretty fast? Oh, would we? Isn't there the strategy where you like spam right click instead of hold right click and it like doubles your... Can we do that? We could also be really far away from each other so that you only had to shield when the thing got close to you. Right? So we could like build up more like that, but we still only get what, like 20 bounces in? 20, how much, is it a exponential multiplier on the damage, or is it like just like a +1? Is it like +1 or is it times 1.01 or something? That'd be sick to figure out. We gotta do research into that one day. That'd be insane. Smashed is damage deaths. It's cool stuff like this that I think about constantly, and it amazes me that people haven't. You'd go in between us shielding? Yeah. There's about 4? Let's assume... So, 4 divided by 1.5 is... Sorry. 1.5 divided by 4. So it's 375. 1 over 0.375. So it's about a 2 2/3 multiplier. Right? So let's say base damage is 1.5 times 2.66 to the power of, after just 10 bounces, we'd be doing 26,600 damage for 10 bounces if it's exponential like that. Could you double kill someone by doing enough damage to one-shot them twice? That's probably not a feature. It might be a bug that we could check, though. After just 5 bounces, you're already doing 200 damage, by the way. So you can one-shot after 5 bounces if it's really like that anchor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first shield touches it 3 times, and the second shield touches it 2 times. And on the third one, for the first shield, the third time he gets it, he aims it at someone. One-shotting wouldn't be a thing because if someone is, let's say, 15 health and they somehow take 1 billion damage, it'd be on 0. Oh, right. I forgot about that. Yeah. Damn. Yeah. It'd still be cool. Could you kill yourself using projectiles? Can I get a kill on myself? If I'm a shield, is there any projectiles that are affected by gravity that you can reflect? Could I reflect it upwards and then just have it kill me and then get kill credit for my own death? Does that work? Shield has to be my new favorite kit now. This is so good. There's so much tech with just the right click alone. There's so much possible stuff to break. For GM in Smash game modes, wait, what? I had code here. What was the code I had here? Damn it. Let me go figure out the code that I had. It disappeared, and I can't get it back. Or is this that code? Wait. Right click is dash, crouches, reflect. Oh. Can't hit yourself with anything you reflect? Oh. But if I reflect it off to another shield, and they kill me with it, do I still get it? I would still get some kill credit on myself, right? At least the damage credit for the kill on myself. I need to check, like... Can I check the stream? I'm gonna mute my stuff. Give me a second, guys. So, like... It is that. It's this. But I don't want that. I want... Oh, one of these is the proper version. Okay. The first two heroes are in Discord. If the other shield should get everything, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Anchor. The thing is, Hypixel, like, it should be like that. But Hypixel often does this thing where they forget that part. Because the Hypixel devs are like... They're equivalent to me, I think. They're like... They're pretty good. They have a general idea of stuff, but then they like completely miss some other stuff and... mess it up, and then it doesn't work as intended. Like, you'd think if they tell you that you got 10 coins, you'd actually get 10 coins, but that's something that they actually currently have as a bug in like 5 different game modes. Every single legacy game mode in like the game modes in the classic games, not legacy games, but all the classic games game modes all have the same bug. That is, you don't get the stuff sometimes, even though they told you got the stuff. Which I bug reported a bit ago because I was the person to like actually figure it out. Anchor, I don't need the charges forward and everything part. I just need the name of the thing. I'm a fucking idiot. For those who didn't hear that, I was playing with my water bottle and it was open. And then, of course, as soon as I start dropping it, I fucking throw it 10 feet in the air out of panic. Half the water is still in the bottle. Oh god. Oh, it's like the GXP lies. It says you get 300, but you really get 1.4k. Oh, just the name. Do you need damage values too? No, I just need the name. It's 3 a.m., so I'm gonna go now. Have a good stream. Yeah, see you, Alex. Oh god, I'm a fucking dumbass. Jeez, of course I fucking throw it halfway across the room. Oh my god. Oh, that makes this much easier. Yeah, I literally only need the names, and then we can just like eyeball mix and match between the API naming scheme and then the like in-game naming scheme. For every class, for every game mode. Which one is it? Oh, actually, no, we don't want this. We want how did I do this? Oh, it's from general. We don't care about that. This is for the basic stuff, which is this stuff. We want the game mode versions as well. Right? Or are we making another folder here? Do I make another folder here for each game mode? No. Do I? I will. On God, this is weird. Because it's not going to be this. It's going to be... What's Smash Class proper? Smash Class proper is from Smash Classes. Oh. Yes. It's proper name of the kits. Yeah, like that. And then also... Fuck, this is breaking my mind. I just don't have the mental capacity to understand what's happening. What do we currently get from the fucking thing? We're at 210 things. It's good to know. Oh, we never actually used this guy. Well, now... This is becoming a lot really quickly for Smash Heroes. This is all of a sudden very much turning into a massive thing. Yeah. This is... My brain is dying. Please work. Key error smasher. Oh, smash class is what I'm supposed to be here. Okay. We've now got... We're now at 242. I updated the name of the title. Okay, I want to now should I include the different arrows? Oh. Wait, is that a thing? I pray that's not a thing. Wait. Notched bow? What's notched bow? How many of these include bow? Bow. There's just one? What about arrow? No, I think notched bow is like your bow. Let me take something that's not a Sergeant Shield. Actually, let me take Green Hood. Notched bow is one of your attacks. Flying punch is another attack. Reinforcements is a thing. Okay. I'm only seeing notch bow as bow, so I think it's just your bow overall. It puts it all into one. Yeah. Right? Yeah, it puts it all into one. Man, this is hard. It's hard. I'm trying to think of this game mode thing. Why am I doing game modes again? Okay, so on God, I have no fucking clue what to do here. So what sets do I currently have? I have, oh, let me switch this back so y'all can see shit. So in every kit, we want to go through all the game modes and then add the game mode specific stuff. Got it. For every kit, so in here, we're gonna go through all the stats. We're not gonna go through all the stats. The stats is later. We're gonna go through all the game modes. And then Smash class proper, or sorry, what's it under? It's fucking shit stats, kit stats, motherfuckers, game stats. Game stats. Oh no, I'm not doing that. It's just the kit, just Smash class proper. GM is equal to a thing that I'm gonna make. This thing that is gonna be under the format of it's gonna be the name of the thing, so the stat, smash stat, plus the thing it came from, and this is equal to raw stats, class stats, smash class dot get, what's the formatting, thing back up at 0. for smash stat smash please tell me this works. I beg. It doesn't work. Where's my game modes? On God, we're using that today. Okay, we're now at... Oh no, we can't do that. Okay, we're gonna do this. Okay. No cap. Look at this, boys. We're at 578 stats now. 578. Sick. Thank you, Anchor. 578. I'm showing you guys this because this is amazing. It only takes a few seconds to do the math. Look at this. This is our effort so far. So, let me scroll to the top. We do have 500 something like. Okay, ready? So we're at 578 lines. And so, this is the stats for booster information for a kit for Smashers. Or not for a kit, for a player for Smashers. And then for every, oh, and then let me go to the general section just to show you the general section. This is the general section. This is your general stats for your account. And then for every kit, there's the general stats. And there's also 2v2 stats. There's also normal stats. There's also team stats. Should we convert normal and shit to like something else? Yeah, this should be like that. That, because really normal is just code word for 1v1v1v1. 2v2 is just code word for 2v2. But then teams is code word for 2v2v2. And so now I would go here and I'd change oh god, for GM proper in smash game modes dot items GM proper. Before I dox myself by accident again, I'm going to do that. Okay. Yeah, so now I just renamed it. So now you've got damage dealt. We can remove that. Which then just makes this. So I can save some code time. Yeah. So for every kit you have your general stats. And where am I getting my general stats from? Proper overall stats. overall. Overall. Bulk. I mean, key over bulk. Line 78. That's not good. Sorted stats, bulk, overall. Setup class container. And here it's add stats with default as 0. This is the fancy name ones, and this is the general section ones, and this is the game mode ones. Add game mode specific stats for with default as 0. Okay. All right. Oh baby. Now we're making part. Wait, how do I have more stats now? Oh no. What did we? What did I do that would add more stats? I don't think I did anything that would add more stats. Anyways, we're at 594 now. And we're almost done with Smash Heroes. We just gotta double that up to like 1,000. Any more lists? No, I think we're good. I think that's the only list that was a yikes. Okay. Now, I need to take these and match them to something. So for bulk, there's bulk throw, bulk charge, bulk smash, and bulk slam. And then for clock, there's shoot rocket, cluster buck, and chicken army. And then we have cake, cake monster. So we got swing pin, regurgitate, cake, storm, defecate. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do this. Okay. So now let's go through together, I guess, and try and match the stats to the things. So one at a time. Let's start with what's a kit that he still played a lot of? He's played a lot of probably like 10, right? So under 10, overload is overload, like that. Homing missiles is homing missiles. Rocket punch is rocket punch. This is not bad so far. Shoot laser is laser cannon, we think? Is laser cannon Tin Man's shoot laser? Yeah. So laser cannon. Okay. Or we can just go one by one kits like this. Sick. So seismic slam is bulk slam. Right? So bulk slam is going to be seismic slam. Bulk smash is going to be... No, wait. Charge is monster charge. Boulder is bulk throw. What's bulk smash? Where's bulk ultimate? Monster mash. There we go. Monster mash. It's the monster mash. Okay. Cluck. Okay. Egg bazooka is going to be shoot rocket. Alright. Clusterbuck is going to be... Well, where is it bazooka? Is egg bazooka or bazooka? Which one is which? Is egg bazooka... Egg bazooka is going to be your clusterbuck, right? And then normal bazooka is shoot rocket. Yeah, he's got less kills with egg bazooka because it's his secondary. That makes sense. And chicken army is called what? Reinforcements. Chicken army is reinforcements. Okay. Let's do cake next. So cake. Defecake is literally defecake. Wow, I love them. Swing pin is swing pin. Sick. Throw cake is regurgitate, I think. Cake storm is gonna be cake storm. Dang, we're blasting through these. These used to be like nearly impossible for us to do, but now that we've got to listen to everything, it's not too hard. I don't know why the names for bulk abilities are weird. Bulk was originally a Sully knockoff of Mr. Monster. Yeah. Egg bazooka is cluster. Yeah. I remember it was supposed to be like a knockoff of like monster stuff. Yeah. Okay. Batarang is gonna be Batarang. Bot Mobile is going to be Botmobile. Bot Claw. There's no Bot Claw. Well, we need to look for a bot claw. Something bat related. Grappling hook. Grappling hook is going to be bot claw, right? Yeah, grappling hook has to be that, right? That has to be fact. Okay. And I guess grappling hook, the damage is like the things that you shoot out. Next we got good guy 10. Oh, we already did 10. Marauder next. Marauder, we have grip, which is force pull. And then we've got lightning, which is force lightning. Sick. Spooter next. Spotterman. Spooter kick is going to be spider kick. Spooter buddies is spooter buddies. Web shot is going to be web shot. Sick. Stuff we're going to do pug. Pug bite is going to be bite. That's easy. Sonic Park. Intruders. Oh, Supersonic Bark is going to be Sonic Bark, right? Intruders is going to be what? Intruders? Where's Werepug? Is Werepug going to be Intruders? Werepug has to be Intruders. Can you think of it? Dang. When they thought of the naming for Intruders, they were like, yeah, it's going to be a werewolf pug. Damn. Hypixel really do be getting ambitious. Hypixel devs really do be getting ambitious, eh? Hella ambitious with their projects. They also had assists, which they never added, by the way. The assists are supposed to be like a real tracked thing, but they're just not. Okay, Frostbolt is Frostbolt. Freezing Breath is Freezing Breath. Let's skip over Sergeant Shield for a second. We got Karakot, which is Goku. I know this one's easy. Ki Blast is Ki Blast. Kame-Do is Kame Beam. Those are the only two damage things you get as Hera. Next we take Skull. Deagle is Desert Eagle. Grenade is Grenade. And Flaming Deagle is Flaming Desert Eagle. Next up, we're going to do Zanuck. Onion Cannon is Super Zanuck Ring Canyon. Boom is Zanuck Boom, I think. Spin Dash. Wait, what's Wall Climber? Do you know what Wall Climber is? Is that an ability that you know of? Wall Climber? He's only been killed using it, so he hasn't. Spin Dash on Zanuck. Static Laser? Spin Dash. Is there no Spin Dash? What? Oh, Dash is Spin Dash. My bad. Yeah, Intruders where Pug is because the alt was originally going to make Pug turn into a demon sort of thing. Huh, okay. That's interesting. So, yeah, I was dumb for a second there with Zanuck, but we're good. We've only got 3 more. plus Sergeant Shield we gotta do later. Void Crawler. Where's Void? Everybody's favorite kit. So we're gonna do Void Crawler, where it's Void slash, and Teleboom is Telepunch. Oh, you've forgotten ability. There's Telepunch, which is your dash. And Teleboom. There's also Telepunch, which is your right click dash, I think, on Void. Shoot! Ship gets Fire Malaser, which is Fur Malaser. Ride the Lightning is going to be Ride the Lightning. Lightning Bolt and Charged Laser. Is that Laser Cannon? Static Laser is Lightning Bolt? Well, he's only been killed by Laser Cannon. So he's never killed anybody with Laser Cannon. Yeah. So it's not Laser Cannon. Laser Cannon isn't there. It's down here somewhere. I don't know what Ricochet is yet. Void Slash is the right click, Teleboom is secondary? Yeah. Void Slash is right click, Teleboom secondary. Nothing else does damage. Yeah. You have no idea what Wall Climber is? Yeah, me neither, man. Because you can't hit people while climbing the wall on like Spooter. And it was on Zanuck. Lightning Bolt is, which one is Static Laser? I'll do Hood first. Notch Bow and Flying Punch, and that's all there is. Okay. Flying Punch. Notched Bow. I don't know what to put here or here. Let's do shield, I guess. Shield Bash is gonna be your shield. Shield Bash. Ricochet is Ricochet. Shield Quake is just a shield. There. Done all of them? I just gotta figure out what Shoop things are. Do you have any clue which static laser? Is that your lightning bolt or your charged laser? And why? What is laser cannon? And why does laser cannon have? Why has he never killed someone with laser cannon? Of all people, who? Wait, we should probably grab someone who's like a Shoop main. Like MC Gamer Z, right? Is really good Shoop. Name MC doc or what? You know how you get the rank 1 Shoop? You go in commands and you LB smash Shoop. Rank 1 Shoop is focus energy, so we're gonna take focus energy. So now we're gonna go here. I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm gonna go here. That guy, and his GUID is why does this skin look so dumb? This guy's got a dumb skin. Tuple object is not callable. Oh, wait, why am I doing that there? I need to... Sorry, my bad. That's what I meant to do. Give me a second. I was just completely had a mind fuck for a second. I was so dumb what I just did. Oh! Let me show you guys. Turns out I'm a shoot main, MC's an online. Oh wait, never mind, I misunderstood. Yeah. Turns out computer frozen? My computer didn't freeze. I just yeah, I was dumb. So now here. So fire my laser is fire my laser. Charged beam is charged laser. So apparently Hypixel never played Shoop and he never uses charged laser. Which is beyond me. And that means static laser is indeed your lightning bolt. So I've now got a full list of all the kits. Now we go in here. And then in here we go and we need to write these down. We need to write them down. So to write them down, we go here to our here. And so here we're gonna have boulder. Bear with me for a second here, guys. It's gonna take a little bit, but this is required. Required. Okay. It's one kit done. Next up we'll do clock, which is gonna be bazooka. Egg bazooka. Reinforcements. Oh wait, but these can't just be tuples because we also need these can't be tuples because we also need the actual name for them. So that's gonna end up being what is this? Bulk throw? And then monster charge is bulk charge. Monster mash is bulk smash. But we already know it's bulk. We'll still call it that. Or no, it's not, because people know what charge is. That's the name of the ability. Yeah. And I forgot we were doing this. Oh no, we weren't doing that. Okay. And this is gonna be bulk slam. Okay. Oh, are you French? I am French. I wonder what the people in the Discord are thinking of what I put. Oh, well, I'm not French, but like I speak French. I'm French Canadian. I wonder what the people in your Discord are thinking when I put in general without context of the stream. Hey, if they're not in context of the stream, then they're the one losing. They're losing now. Oh no, please not within spam just for a message. She's really passionate Smashers TM player. Yeah. I ended up asking for help with Smasher stuff in general. And I got one DM from MC Gamer Z trying to help me, but he just had the wrong answer. And this one guy just YP just said Smash Heroes. Whenever you need help with Smashers API stuff, don't ask the Smashers people, because they don't know shit about the API. Is what I've learned. If you ever need help with API stuff, your real person you want to look for help for is from API people. So bazooka is shoot rocket. This is cluster buck. And chicken army. Next up, I'm just gonna go ahead and swap all these out now. Yeah, this is. Oh, I should probably do that. This is already becoming a mess, and we're only doing Smash here so far. I pray that some of these other game modes are simpler. That's it. Smashers is probably one of the more complicated ones. I am not looking forward to Blitz, by the way. Blitz is like maybe we'll do Build Battle next. How about Build Battle? Build Battle seems like a very sweet, innocent game mode to do next. There's no way Build Battle is super complicated, right? It has to be simple. There's no kits. Hashtag Canadian. Oh, you worked in Montreal for an internship? Sick. BYP, he just trolls though. He's got nothing better to do. Yeah. Hashtag Canadian. Yeah. Canada, pretty good. We used to have like one of the best bridge teams in the world. We were thinking about doing a bridge World Cup at one point, like 2 years ago. And we looked at the teams, and Team Canada was actually the most stacked team, by far. So much so that we had to nerf Team Canada by making Canada 2 different teams, so that we wouldn't have 4 god tier players all on one team. That's how broken it was. Botmon next. Battering. Throw Batarang. Grappling hook is Bot Claw. And then Bot Mobile is Botmobile. But yeah, OG Willie lives in the GTA. Pretty close to me, actually. Is Arena Ball really gonna suck? Arena Ball can't be that bad. Let's take a look at it real quick on stream. Let's take a break. Let's take a short break from this. Arena Brawl can't be horrible. Not nearly as bad as Blitz. Let's compare real quick. Blitz versus Arena Brawl, okay? Where's Blitz? I can't even find Blitz. Am I blind? Hunger Games, it's Blitz. Oh, I should probably take an actual IGN of give me a second, of someone who's actually played the game. So I know Green Eye probably, or who's rank 1? Oh god. Is there a thing for this? Plank.io. Plank leaderboards. Where is it? Blitz. Let's take the #1 Blitz win guy. He's gotta have access to every kit, right? Poopatar. NameMC.com/Poopatar. Of course it's cancer fucking name. Oh god. Okay, are you guys ready for this? Check this. Let's see. Use the get total keys function. Yeah, I'm at 594 stat things, by the way, and we haven't implemented the new system that's going to increase that to like 1,000. Stats. Oh, he's got a lot more game modes. Hunger Games. This isn't that bad. Because we don't care about the inventory data, right? In-game presence cap? What? What are these numbers? Okay. Let's move on. Taunt kills? TNT placed Creeper Tamer? Oh no. Oh god. Oh no! I just saw the size of the scroll wheel. Guys, ready for this? I'm just gonna speed run the Blitz stats real quick. So Blitz has to be the worst. Okay? Now let's compare what we just saw. Reminder, that's like probably over 1,000. Easy. To Arena. Arena, look! Look at the size of... Okay, look. Look at the size of the thing, okay? We open Arena, it only shrinks by a little bit. We open Blitz, it shrinks by an ungodly amount. Arena's not that bad. Arena's actually tiny. Arena is tiny. Oh, I guess if I put in an Arena player, I'll get different stuff. Oh, you guys can't see scroll bar? Oh. So, like... Since you can't see scroll bar... Okay, so, like, look. So, it starts, like, here, the scroll bar, and it ends, like, here. So, the difference in scroll bar between them is Hunger Games, like, my scroll bar shrinks by, like... It becomes, like, 1/3 of what it used to be. And for Arena, it doesn't become half. Arena is tiny compared to... It's just absolutely tiny compared to Hunger Games. My bad about that. I thought you guys could see that. It's tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Absolutely tiny. I mean, can't be tinier. Just literally the smallest thing imaginable. Back to this. This is going to be swing pin. Swing pin becomes swing pin. A classic. Throw cake becomes, or becomes I don't want to fuck this up. Regurgitate. Regurgitate. I'm trusting that you typed all these without typos, by the way. Which I probably shouldn't do, but I'm trusting you, Anchors. If you fucked up, then we're all fucked. This entire thing is fucked if you fucked up with one of these. And I gotta go back and change it after. Defecate is still defecate. So they were actually pretty good on the naming scheme for Cake Monster. Which is sick. At least for this game mode, they were good. I think Blitz is going to be one of the worst game modes. Also, Mega Walls is going to be horrible. Arcade should be pretty bad. Murder Mystery might be really bad. Skyblock is going to be the pinnacle of bad. It's like it's going to be the peak. It's not going to get worse than Skyblock. Skywars is going to be pretty bad. There's some odd game modes like TKR that might be really bad, but who knows. Paintball is going to be pretty chill. Quake should be really chill. TNT games should be like pretty bad. I mean, they're all going to be pretty bad. Like, it's hard to compare them. Sky Clash should be pretty soft, I think. Duels seems bad, but I already know the entire API section in and out, through and through. So that should be like actually pretty easy. And then of course, achievements and quests are going to be pretty horrible. Knowing that for achievements, we're going to have to cross-check like so many accounts to get the full list of all achievements. Same with quests, because you'd think that in their resources achievements they would list all the achievements, but they don't. Yeah, that's how it be. Alright, let's do 10. 10. Laser cannon is shoot laser. And then we've got rocket punch, which is rocket punch, surprisingly. And then we've got homing missiles, which is homing missiles. And then we've got overload, which is just overload. So look at all the hard-coded arrays that we've got going. We're on a roll. And I'm also surprised that this is only like 200 lines, not even. I'd expect this to already be like 250 plus, but we're being very efficient with our for looping. Or actually, that probably means we're not being efficient with our. Or we're being as efficient as we can be. I don't know. Well, I think efficiency has nothing to do with how many lines of code. Skull. Desert Eagle is Deagle. Grenade is grenade. And Flaming Desert Eagle is Flaming Deagle. Next up. Let me just do this now so I know what's next before it comes. And so you can also visualize how many more kits I've got to do this for. Frosty, my favorite kit. The one that they called Frosty after Frosty the Snowman, and then they just completely changed it to Cryomancer. Well, this one's short. You only get 2 abilities. Frostbolt and Freezing Breath. And they're both exactly what they are listed as. Perfect. My new favorite kit. Pug. Come here, Pug. Got Bite, which is Bite. Supersonic Bark, which is actually Sonic Bark. And we've got Werepug, which is actually Intruders. And I'm not putting the exclamation point. We're cutting off the fancy special text. Marauder. Marauder. Oh, man. Oh, I'm tired. Marauder. Where's Marauder? A Marauder's also easy. Force pull and force lightning. So this is just lightning. And then we've got force pull, which is grip. Next up, we got void. Void slash is... Wait, you said void slash was right click. I thought, no, void slash is your left click with... Hold on. We've got void slash, teleboom, and telepunch. Teleboom is your 2. Telepunch is your right click. And void slash is... What, your left click? What's void slash? What's void slash, Anchor? Well, while you figure that out, I'm gonna put them in. But we gotta figure out what those are. Spooter. Web shot. Which is web shot. And Spooter Buddies, which is Spooter Buddy still. Another kit that's perfectly named. Which is odd, because Hypixel doesn't do that. Hypixel tends to fuck this up. Key Blast is Key Blast, Kame Beam is Kame Do. So Key Blast is Key Blast, and then Kame Beam becomes Kame Do. Shoop da whoop. Static Laser becomes Lightning Bolt. And then Charge Beam becomes... The fuck is this? Charged Laser? Oh god. This becomes Firen Ma Laser. And then last one here, Ride the Lightning becomes itself. Ignore the fact that that one is really long. Xanic. Dash is actually Spin Dash. Boom is Xanic Boom. And Onion Cannon becomes Super Xanic Ring Cannon. Super Xanic Ring Cannon. Check Discord. Okay, so if that's Void Slash, then which one is Telepunch and which one is Teleboom? Can you send me screenshots of the other two? I don't... What? I don't get it. Sergeant Shield is... Sergeant Shield's the weird one where we're gonna have to do the shit. So Shield Bash is actually just Shield. And then Ricochets itself. And then Shield Quake is just Shield. That's how you write Justice Shield, right? Yeah. And we just got Green Hood, where Notched Bow becomes Enhanced Bow, and Flying Punch becomes itself. Okay, now that we have this list, I need to figure out how we get the stats for these. Because we're not going to mark down all the kits. Oh, wait. I am dumb. These all were supposed to be tuples. Because I'm not maintaining the okay, I'm just doing how much take damage taken from that. I don't care about the individual damage per thing. Oh my god. Or are we gonna do this? Do you guys think I should do it like this or? Okay. Void energy, I'll give a fuck about void energy. Teleboom. What is Void Slash then? There's Void Slash, there's Teleboom, and there's Telepunch. What is Telepunch? What is Telepunch? Telepunch is what? Is it the old Void Crawler Ultimate, maybe? Do you think it's that? Telepunch does exist. It's in the API, so it exists. I think it's the old Ultimate. Remember the old OG Ultimate? Of course you remember. I don't know why I'm asking that, but remember the OG Void Crawler Ult before they reformed it into the new ult? It used to do like a teleporting thing where you punch people in the back, right? That's Telepunch. So now we're gonna do... Yeah, are we maintaining? Should we maintain this? No, because that would be too many. How many is this? It's an average of like 3 per thing. That's like 3 times 20. That's like 60. 6 times 20. Calculator. 60 times 20. That's 1,200 lines. We can't do that. It's too much. I just didn't think they renamed it in the API. That's probably I just didn't think they'd rename it in the API. Yeah. So yeah. These are becoming a tuple. I gotta do this for all of them. Jeez. I really did goof. Yeah, there's no way we're gonna have enough storage. We gotta minimax at some point. And we're not gonna have the storage space for 1,200 lines per player extra for no reason. When it could just be like a lot less. Still gonna be a lot. It's still gonna be like a significant amount of things. It's still gonna be like 500 or something, or 600, I don't know. But it's not gonna be 1,200. That's what matters. Oh, my laptop's so hot it's hurting my fingers. I might have to stop streaming soon. My laptop's burning up. Oh, I fucked that up. Jeez. Okay. After I fix this, we can go ahead and start parsing this data. And then we'll be done with Smash Heroes. Can you believe it? We'll be done with Smash Heroes after this. Which I think is pretty sick. Being done with Smash Heroes forever. Not that Smash Bros. Is not a fun game, but that the API for it is just exhausting. Exhausting. I'm not looking forward to Blitz if you didn't know. Blitz is like probably the worst one other than Skyblock. Skyblock, of course, is going to take the meat by a landslide. Purely based on the amount of stuff. Or actually, will it? It might not. It might actually not take the landslide. Blitz might be the biggest guy. Although achievements is going to be the biggest nightmare, I think. It's like an underdog nightmare. Like, you don't think it's going to be a nightmare, but then when you realize how bad it is, then you're like, oh damn, I'm fucked. Yeah, oh no, I'm not going to be able to help anymore. Jeez, yeah. So the reason why achievements are so fucked, okay? Why achievements of all things are absolutely goofed, and it's gonna take forever to figure it out, is not all the achievements are listed in the resources achievements endpoint. Which means we gotta manually scan tens of thousands of accounts. Or not manually scan, but we've gotta scan 10,000 accounts and manually scan like an extra few dozen maybe to just even try and get all the achievements, and we won't even know we have them all. Think about that, because there's achievements that aren't listed in the achievements endpoint. Can you believe that? The achievements endpoint has one job, and it's to give you a list of the achievements, and it doesn't do that. It doesn't. They got caught lacking. And the main reason for that is there's like admin achievements and then some legacy achievements. Stuff like that. Okay. Now, are we going to track only damage dealt or deaths too? Like how much damage you received from the thing? Or actually, no, we can't do that. let me yoink Hypixel again. Now, let me go see here. Housing is also a nightmare. Also pet stats? Oh god. Parkour completion? Should we even do that? Shoot PvP parkour? Let's go to stats, smash, class stats, my boy, kit, any kit, right? I know he played a lot of shoops. Let's play go shoop. Oh, it only says how many times they've died to it. So we only have to log how many times they've died to it. Sick. Oh. So now for every kit, which is here, for every kit, we want to go and go for every other kit, for every other class, which is going to be for smash class, smash class abilities in smash class. Did I call it abilities here like a dumbass? Yeah. Smash class abilities. Classes abilities. There we go. And then we're going to have a counter that's at 0. But we're going to do sorted stats smash class proper. But we don't have the proper. So we need to get the proper. So smash classes of the thing. Smash classes, smash class. Sort stats, the class. And then it's going to be damaged out. Or deaths. Or we're gonna make a new thing called abilities. Or no, it's like class to class interactions. Or no, because we don't care. Do we only care about deaths? Because you don't know which kit you kill, just that you got a kill. We don't care if you got a kill. Yeah. So we only care about deaths here. So we're just going to call it deaths. But we already have a stat called deaths. So we have per class deaths. Or class deaths. set up container for class stats. Oh God. And so now in here, if, oh, we can't reuse smash class, already use smash class. Smash class, current smash class, and if c smash class not equal to, no, because we care about deaths from your kit too. So we don't have to do this if statement. Do we want to for loop through the abilities? So for ability in smash class abilities and sorted stats. Sorted stats. We still have smash class proper to use here. Class deaths of thing. Yeah, or we can just initiate it here. No, we're not going to initiate it here. Or yeah, we can. Bulk. No, we're not. We want it to be dynamic. Where are the dynamic boys at? We got 22 playbacks. Isn't that insane? We got 22 playbacks on this. Average watch time of 20 minutes. Jeez. Y'all going in. Crazy. Absolutely bonkers. Okay. Also, did you know our Discord for this account, like our Discord with the 0x260 zone, grew by almost double today? Isn't that insane? Sorted stats of smash class proper class deaths of the C smash class is equal to is equal to 0, and then for ability in blah blah sorted stats plus equals to raw stats class stats smash class dot get blah 0, where the thing here is the ability for ability. There we go. Pray. Too many values to unpack? What do you mean, too many values to unpack? What does this mean? It's getting mad. Because I'm trying to unpack this as if it's a dict, but it is a dict. Too many values to unpack? What do you mean, too many values to unpack? Why is this too many values to unpack? Can you not do this if the values are tuples? Hey, Amor, can I not do this? Because these are tuples and not like single item value things? If these are like a single thing, it'd work, but because of tuples, it's not working, right? Is there a way to fix that to where with tuples it works? The auction. And then have a Discord that you can join for coding. What are you assigning it to? So, you see this smash classes abilities? We're taking that and I'm trying to loop through it using for key value and oh. Oh, and this would be not get ability. Ability. Get smashed. Telepunch? Telepunch? Unavailable? If and I know you could probably do one of these fancy things for this, right? Yeah, probably for if key in or if ability in this. Yeah, so a lot of accounts don't have telepunch. I'm thinking telepunch is the OG thing. It's the OG thing, Anchor. Let's do this. this? It's taking forever to load, which makes me think I fucked it up. Key error bulk. This? I'm fixing naming right now, guys. Shows in 144p. General clock. What do you mean general clock don't exist? I know general clock exists. General clock. It exists. And we already made the thing for it. How does this work for bulk and then it moves on to clock and gets fucked? These are written the same. Why does it get completely goofed? I'm gonna head off, see a message on Discord if you need anything. See ya. Oh, you're also leaving Anchor? Adios, man. I think I might just end the stream and try and figure this out for a minute on my own. Then it was a fun stream though. I actually did 3 mini streams today because the first 2 got fucked. As we end the stream, guys, it was really fun. Adios though. I'll see you guys next stream. See ya.